Hello everyone, this is Amit Latikara. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how can we calculate an area of a circle. So to calculate an area of a circle, what basically we require is its radius. Let's consider it as a r. And simple formula to calculate area of a circle is we need to multiply value of pi with square of radius. So it is basically a value of pi, then we need to multiply radius with radius to get the square of the radius. It's very basic arithmetic expression I've used here. Value of pi is fixed. Let's consider 3.14, and whatever the value entered by the user, we can use it in arithmetic operation to calculate area. So in this way, this program is very simple. Use of arithmetic operators to calculate an area of a circle. So let's have one variable r to check it in Python program. Let's take an input from the user. Enter a radius of a circle. Next, after getting the radius, we can use arithmetic expression, that is pi r square, and let's display it on screen. So let's use print statement. Area of a circle is, and value of area. So this is a simple program. Here in input, usually we are getting a string, as I discussed in previous example, meaning if we enter radius as 5, it will be considered as string 5, not the number 5. And to have it as a number 5, we require typecasting. Let's consider radius as an integer value. So let's use typecasting here, and let's save this program. Let's execute this program. Enter a radius of a circle. So let me enter 5, and in output, area of a circle is 78.5. So in this way, this is a very basic Python program to calculate an area of a circle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time ahead.